Hey, we're back for another video, guys. Welcome. As you notice, I'm wearing my sports tuxedo, and funny story, I almost got kicked out of a conference once because I wore a sleeveless shirt. So it looked good, but I had my tattoo out, and the organizer, this training mag, one of the organizers was like, what are you doing? What are you wearing? Weird. Anyway, back to this video. Let's talk about some cool stuff that just happened. OpusClip got updated, and I'm going to show you all the updates. You're going to love it. It's going to be great. Make sure that you check out the video up here so you can see what OpusClip is all about. I'm not going to go over the whole basics, but what it is a great tool of automation using AI, and it locks everything out for your clips, long videos, and also provides captions. Let's go. So here we are. This is OpusClips. Now, OpusClip, I always get this wrong because for whatever reason, I like to throw the OpusClips in there and it's clip. But let's look it up real quick so I'm not having to log in right away. So opus.pro will be the domain. You got the link right here in the description. Go check it out. This is exactly what you see here. It's a viral clips setup. A lot of YouTubers will be using this ones, and there are other apps out there. I'm going to check it out too. But this one is interesting because it started just with one or two platforms that you can work with, and now they have updated it and does a lot more. So for example, you can pick stuff from Google Drive. You can do Vimeo, Zoom, like your Zoom meetings. You remember that 1 hour Zoom meeting that then someone wants to put in the LMS and 60 minutes of boredom? Now you can clip that into beautiful 20 pieces of 3-minute boredom. Or maybe not that boring because it's 3 minutes. So good use there. Rumble, YouTube. I use it primarily for YouTube. You'll see that in the post when I do social media promotions or content marketing promotions on LinkedIn or Insta and stuff like that. Not only that, so that's one update that they added more platforms here, and that's awesome. Second update is that you can upload, you can add links, right? So this works with links, and you'll get what you see down here, which is the last video I did, right? So the last video I did, and then what it does an analysis of your video and then provides sort of an analysis of how well they perceive it to do. So this was a short. They went out. I did a short here. This one. There's a little eye-catchy stuff. That's kind of cool. That's super cool. I guess if I was making a custom, I did that because it has a dragon. So that, yeah, it racked up like 400 and some views or whatever in shorts. Now I know that's nothing, but hey, the topic that I'm covering here and the stuff I'm doing, I know it's not that popular, so it's okay. It's all good. I love every one of you guys that are watching this video and the people that are subscribing. Thank you so much. We're 173. What? So we're going to keep it going. I'm doing it for you, and I'm doing it to continue the craft. So here we have another great updates. Before I jump into the whole editing thing, should I jump into the editing thing? I'm going to tell you what I'm going to do. It's all here, so why not just show you what's happening here? So one is in the edits. So when you go edit clips, they have added a new thing now. It's a free service out there called Clip Anything, I think is what it's called. And since I have an account that I'm paying for, then it's already included that for me. Recently, they have changed the UI, meaning the user interface, and you got clip sayings, you know, the clip setouts and layouts and stuff like that. So you can start on a 916, like you can get 916 clips that it generates. It will do the animated dynamic captions. Remember, Camtasia just came out with those like what, 2 months ago, and these guys have been doing it for at least 2 years. So dynamic captions right here, and you can choose as to the editing portions of it, whether you're going to flip or what is it you're going to show in the screen, right? So if I crop, boom, I bring it down here and set it out. New things they added is this UI is kind of cool because you control everything on the right that is property based. So if you wanted to switch over to a 1:1 aspect ratio, boom, you got it there. You got on the left all the script and transcribe and stuff, so it completely reads out your video and then does gives you the caption and transcription. The cool thing about it is you can add a bunch of stuff here. This will take another video just to tell you exactly what you can do here. But one of the coolest things is that you can go at the bottom here, you see, and you got filler removal. So you can click on that and it will remove either filler words. I did that before. So like if there was an or something like that, it will do that, or pauses. Now when it comes to tutorials and stuff like that, I try not to take out pauses because that may be just you being silent, kind of clicking on something. So try not to do that. But if you look to the left, this app is getting exciting, folks. They are continuing to add a bunch of stuff rapidly. So now you can add text. So you got text here, you can add text to your stuff. Now they're adding transitions. So it's becoming, little by little, it's becoming a more robust video editing tool. Although this just started as a clipper, as a long form clipper. And you got voiceover as well. And I haven't tested that. That's probably going to be a separate video on how that sounds. But yeah, you got voices. I'm curious on this one. So let me just see if I hear anything.
Our distrust is very expensive.
Oh, I recognize that voice. That's Adam. So if you notice, if you caught this voices or this type of videos up in YouTube, probably you didn't know it was OpusClip. If you start recognizing now what you see here, it is what it is, OpusClip. Let's see, male American.
The thing always happens that you really believe in.
Wow. This voice is I'm going to have to do a voice episode on this, a voice video on it. But anyway, other great new features that you have here. Like I said, the UI changes, AI word highlighter, so you can customize everything now, where you also have templates and you can create your templates, and you can also add. The other part here now is you can add your custom font. So if you were stuck with this font all the time, now you can change it up. Upload your own font, your own unique font. So obviously when you look at this app, you know that this app is meant for marketing, for marketers, right? For content marketing, where you're creating videos, content, putting shorts out there, and then capturing leads or enticing people to go over to your channels and stuff like that. Another great feature that you have here, this is not a new one, but it was here, is that you can export the XML if you're working your stuff out in Premiere Pro for the captions and all that stuff. The great thing that has been added here, that is part of it, and another great addition, is the schedule. So meaning scheduling your social media posts. So now this basically, to me, I don't know, this takes some of these apps out that you have out there that do that used to do social media scheduling, because now you could do it here. I added my YouTube channel and my LinkedIn, and you can actually kick it out to both. The only thing I don't like, I like it now, it's a lot better. Before you didn't have a lot of power to update stuff. So you got that. So one thing, one quick tip to give you here on the scheduler is that you want the videos to be in your shorts on YouTube, but remember that there is a 60-second cap. So shorts are max 60 seconds. So if your video is 61 seconds or even 60 seconds, actually, it might actually go over to YouTube as a regular video, and that will screw things up. So I just try to, make sure that my videos are 59 seconds. So make sure you catch that warning there. I was just clicking there to show you the stuff. But the cool thing again is you can schedule the release on your platforms as you add them on. And if you look at the platforms, you go on TikTok, you can go Instagram, Facebook, X, and you can schedule them and manage them that way. And you basically set it and forget it. You set it up and then you can roll out, right? So that's pretty sweet. When you want to look at what's going on, then you see here, here's your schedule. You can even start your scheduling from here, or you can upload a local video to be scheduled. Here's the stuff that I've done, all the different posts that I put out. And yeah, it kind of, I haven't even really, to be honest with you, I haven't maximized the capabilities of the stuff. New feature coming through, analytics is in beta right now. It's still not capturing stuff, but it's coming. It's coming. So I'll be excited for that. Your social media accounts, we talked about that. You can add them here, and that's all good. As you know, OpusClip works with credits just like any of the other apps. So I have the pro plan. I bought it, and I'm going to give you the kicker here. This is less than $120 a year, my friends. So you can't beat this. It saves you a lot of time, and you don't have to mess with stuff. This is the power of AI. This is the beautiful thing about AI and the technology enabled with AI. You also have storage with some of these items. So if you save the item, you have some specific storage you can bring in your assets. You can have your own branding and your vocabulary, and that specific vocabulary that you have available. So all those are great updates on OpusClip. If you know some more, drop the comments here. But yeah, this is kind of cool, and I'm really excited.